It's our comfort food. It's vegetarian. You can make it for pennies. There are so many recipes that my grandmother and all the women in my family passed down to me. I hope that I can pass down several recipes to my daughter Krishna. One in particular is just a very simple lentil porridge, and it's called kichidi, and we eat it when we're sick. But I put a lot more vegetables and I doctored it up some, but people make it differently across India. I hope that when she leaves to start her own home, that, she'll know how to make that with her eyes closed, along with a lot of other things that we love sharing together.